Welcome to Fire Engineering Training Minutes. I'm Nick Papa with New Britain Fire, here with Pete Morotto from Fire Training Innovations. We're continuing on with our discussion on ventilation, and in this one, we're going to be discussing door control.
We're going to get into the crews operating and the initial crew making entry before the hand line. So as the ladder company arrives to the fire door or the fire apartment, they have to make entry. They have to make a decision to make entry prior to the hand line to do an unprotected search or wait on the hand line. Conditions obviously at the door are going to dictate whether they can make that interior move or not. So first they're going to take the door. And as it pertains to door control, once they take this door, they still have to have control of it. They have to control the door. Obviously now getting low onto their bellies. Okay, getting into the fire compartment, seeing actually what the extent of the fire is. If conditions warrant them making an interior move, they can now move in to conduct a primary search. Only after letting the initial hand line know that they will be operating ahead of the hand line.
Truck's going ahead for a search.
The key thing to remember is the fire doesn't know the difference between a door and a window. We need to remember that opening a door is a form of ventilation. So we need to make sure that we control the door behind the ladder company if the hand line is not ready to move in. That can be done with either a hand tool or a latch strap to make sure that the door doesn't lock back on itself and trapping those members inside. Now that the engine company is in position and ready to make entry with a charged hand line, we want to move that door from the controlled position to fully open so we can maximize on that fresh air intake as they move in on their approach to attack the fire.
Fire's down the hall, second room on the right.
At this time, the truck company is going to assure that they don't overcommit until there's positive forward progression of the initial hand line.
I'm Nick Papa. Thank you for watching Training Minutes, and thank you to Pete Morotto from Fire Training Innovations.